Hello, my name is Elizabeth Dernbach. I'm a student at UAF in the sports sales class, and I'm calling in conjunction with the Fairbanks Ice Dog hockey team. It's a non-profit organization that helps hockey players with their dream of a college education and scholarships. They're part of the North American Hockey League and are currently on a 19-game winning streak. Ice Dogs are in pursuit of a new sponsor, and I've selected Fred Meyers as a great match for this Logo Puck sponsorship package. The main reason I selected Fred Meyers for this Ice Puck logo sponsorship package is because Fairbanks is a smaller but tight-knit community that loves to come together. A sponsorship like this will help enhance and strengthen the Fairbanks community where both hockey lovers and associates of yours live and work. Fun events like the Ice Dog Games help create a positive change and bring the entire community of Fairbanks together. If you're interested, I'll be your personal go-to communicator to this sponsorship package and would love the opportunity to help you and the Ice Dogs develop a relationship and work together. Fred Meyers will have the opportunity of moving forward with this completion of the sponsorship package via my class presentation in May, which will talk about why Fred Meyers deserves the first crack at this exclusive sponsorship opportunity.